next time, but so far this is, oh my god. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Sephora recommendations. As you know, the famous Sephora sale is happening right now, all the way until the 19th of April. So I wanted to get this video up. I know it's already April 15th, but it's better late than never, right? I wanted to give you guys some recommendations that I use and that I personally love. The first one is the Laura Mercier powder, and I got it in translucent, but you can also get it in the actual color like honey or whatever other colors they have. It's such an amazing powder. I love to use this under my eyes. The next is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This has been trending all over social media lately, and I can see why. I bought this before the sale actually, so I've been using this for like 2 weeks now and I love it. Highly recommend this. There's also a mini version for $10. Next are some Glow Recipe items. So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and I have not tried this out yet. Are the famous Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops and the BHA and AHA toner.
Glow Recipe dang toner, girl.
Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Toner.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I use this every single morning when I wake up. I love this. This is like my holy grail, and I just feel like my makeup kind of glides on a lot smoother, and it definitely kind of just makes my face more hydrating, and I'm in love with this stuff. The drops are amazing too if you want extra hydration.
So this is their Watermelon Glow Dewdrops.
The Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops.
And just an extra glow, and you can use this so many different ways. You can put it on top of your makeup, underneath. It has so many purposes. Next is my baby Olaplex. I adore this brand so much because every time when I straighten my hair and I put number 3 in, my curls snap back instantly. I had to pick up number 5 again because I ran out of this. Next 2 products are the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask and the Lip Glowy Balm. The Fenty Skin Tint. Highly recommend this, you guys. This lasts all day long and it covers up literally everything for a skin tint. Like, this is so lightweight, it blends in so nicely. It's not dewy, but it definitely does not feel dry on your skin. Speaking of Fenty, I love the I love the Fenty Glow Gloss. This will be a product that I repurchase over and over again because of how good it is. Like, look at my lips, you guys. This is the Lancome Hypnose Drama, and I am in love with this mascara because I use a lot of drugstore mascaras, you guys, so this is not like, oh my gosh, you need this one. This is like one of my favorite mascaras that I've tried. The wand looks like, if you guys wanted to know. Since the sale is happening, why not get you some mascara? So now we have Milk. This is the Milk Lip and Cheek in the color Work. I am actually wearing it right now. I'm obsessed with this color. It's so easy to apply, and you know, it's just like this, and you just drag it on your cheek. For the products that I was not expecting to love, okay? I've seen a bunch of reviews on the Say, but this is the Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow. Lip tint in the color number 4. I don't know if this is my exact shade, but this is what I got. I saw it on TikTok. These 2 products is what I'm wearing currently, and as you can see, it just gives me that natural glow. The perfect glow in a bottle. Like, this is so good. I was gonna get the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, but maybe I'll try that next time. But so far, this is, oh my god. This is freaking amazing. I just tried this today for the first time. This is SPF 35. Love it so much. Now is the NARS. So this is the NARS. It's like a little baby thing. This is the Laguna NARS bronzer. My mom got this as a birthday gift in her little sample collection, and I actually have it on right now. It's not too harsh. It has a little bit of shimmer, so it kind of shines on with the highlight. So next is the Anastasia setting spray. This is my holy grail of setting sprays. As soon as you spray it on your face, it just instantly glows. We're gonna end it off with Everything Rare Beauty. This is not sponsored. I was not gifted anything. Me and my mom are obsessed with Rare Beauty, and we are invested. First things first, their liquid blushes. This is the color Bliss. This is a very, very light pink, and this is Love, which is so good for every single skin tone. 1 dot is more than enough because these are so pigmented with Rare Beauty foundation, and when you put it on, you don't feel like you have foundation on. This is a magnetic spirit This is Magnetic Spirit eyeshadow palette. As you can see, that purple, that green, and the Confident Energy palette with that blue. And this palette is just so pretty. They also have liquid eyeshadows. This is in Nearly Neutral and Nearly Rose, and I have Nearly Apricot. These are my favorite. I love using these on days where I want to look a little bit put together, but don't want to do too much work. Cream blushes. This is the Nearly Rose and Nearly Berry. I will say that this is definitely not as long lasting as the liquid blush. Next is highlighter. I also have it in Mesmerize, but this one is in Flaunt. Out of those two, I love Flaunt so much. It's so glowy. This is the Nearly Neutral Glossy Lip Balm. It's so nice. I use this when I just put like a pink lip liner, and I just add this to get a little brown. Matte lipsticks. I have the shade Brave, Courage, Fearless. So I personally love Fearless. This is really pretty, but Courage is definitely nice for those days where I'm wearing like a pink lip liner. And they're actually not even that matte, so even if you have dry lips like me, these aren't gonna make you look like butthole lips. It's just a bunch of lines from the matte lipstick. You guys know what I mean. I call it butthole lips, but it won't make it look like that at all. I love this stuff. So that was everything that I personally recommend for the Sephora sale. I use these products and I love them. They literally have changed the game for my makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some other videos you'd like to see from me. If you want me to try out any of these products on camera, let me know. I'm so down to do that, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.